Here we introduce the installation tutorial for the back button. Open the package first. Here are the cable accessories, toolkit, manual, and bottom shell with the back button. First, remove the trim shell. Then use the pry bar. Take out the LE key and the RE key. Use a screwdriver to remove the L1 screw. Remove the R1 screw. Remove the left and right grip screws. Then use the pry bar to open the buckle of the bottom cover. Then separate the bottom shell. Take the battery out. Remove the bottom microphone cable. Then unplug the top microphone cable. Remove the battery compartment screws. Then take out the left and right screws of the motor frame. Remove the battery compartment. Directly plug the left and right cables. Then unplug the touchpad cable. There is a buckle on the left and right side of the circuit board. Use the pry bar to open the buckle. Separate the circuit board. Take out the circuit board. We can see the product model number on the circuit board. The circuit board displays the words BDM010, indicates that the PS5 controller is a first-generation controller. Take out the two screws on the left and right of the white part. After removing the screws, the middle frame of the motor can be taken out. Remove the two fixing screws on the left and right of the touchpad. Then remove the touchpad. Next, solder the connecting wires of the touchpad. Solder points as shown. After the touchpad is soldered, the installation steps are as follows. Insert the cable along the square hole. After the insertion, install the screw. Then assemble the motor frame with the face shell. The cable is also inserted along this square hole. After inserting the cable, install the two fixing screws into the motor frame and the faceplate. Then take out the main cable. with the sticker on the main cable facing upward and the 2 holes with the 2 posts. Then insert the circuit board into the shell. Solder the joystick cable to the circuit board. Solder points as shown. Take out the remaining cable from the cable back. We can see the words 010 and 020 marked on the cable. Cut off the excess 020 cable as shown. Then insert the right cable. Please pay attention to the direction of the cable. Insert left cable. Please pay attention to the direction of the cable. After the left and right cable is installed, insert the touchpad cable. Install the battery compartment. Then install the battery compartment screws. Take the circuit board apart. If it shows the BDM020, it indicates it is a second generation controller. The RNA Gen controller as multimedia frame can be directly taken out. Remove the screw on the right side of the touchpad. Push the touchpad up. Then unplug the touchpad cable. The RNA Gen controller as touchpad solder points as shown. Solder copper wire to the points. Insert the touchpad cable. Install the touchpad after soldering. Insert the cable into the inner shell around the square hole. When assembling, first tilt the touchpad to the left and push it into the bottom. Then press the right. Install the right screw. Then insert the motor frame into the surface shell. Insert the cable along the square hole first. Install the left and right screws into the motor frame. With the sticker on the main cable facing upward and the 2 holes with the 2 posts. Then insert the circuit board into the shell. Insert the touchpad cable. Solder the joystick cable to the circuit board. Solder points as shown. Take out the joystick cable after soldering. We can see the words 010 and 020 marked on the cable. Cut off the excess 010 cable as shown. Fold the right cable back in half along the dotted line. Then insert the right cable. Please pay attention to the direction of the cable. Insert left cable. Please pay attention to the direction of the cable. After the left and right cable is installed, install the battery compartment. Then install the battery compartment screws. After that, the installation steps are the same for JE and JE controllers. Install the left and right screws into the motor frame. Insert the battery. Tear off the sticker on the main cable. Attach the main cable to the battery. Following the order to insert the right cable into the circuit board. Insert the left cable into the circuit board. Plug the joystick cable into the circuit board. Solder the touchpad cable after insertion. Solder points as shown. Install the two microphone cables. Connect the prepared bottom piece to the main cable. Main cable as black side facing up. Insert the cable into the female socket. Gently plug it in. Then assemble with the front shell. Align the top first. Align the bottom. Click in the bottom shell. Install the 4 screws afterward. After the screw is installed, install the L1 and R1 piece. Insert trim shell. Press firmly. Upgrade is completed. For product functions, please refer to the instruction manual.